If you wake up every morning with stiff, aching joints, you probably assume your cartilage is wearing out with age. That is entirely wrong. The real reason your knees feel like grinding sandpaper is a sudden drop in one specific lubricating molecule. Here is exactly what works to restore this molecule and erase your joint stiffness. But before we get into it, really quickly, a lot of you ask about restoring this joint fluid. You will find the link to the supplement that solves this directly in the description. This is the product we trust, so be careful with the cheap copies out there. Now, let's get into exactly how you can fix this. Attacking the swelling is critical, but it will only provide temporary relief if you ignore the specific shield against daily wear coming up in step 2. Right now, you're probably taking generic pills that destroy your stomach. Stop doing that. Instead, attack the swelling at its cellular root using concentrated ginger. Steep fresh ginger in hot water and drink it every single morning. This directly flushes irritating enzymes out of your tissue, giving you immediate mobility. That alone brings massive relief, but calming the tissue means absolutely nothing if you continue making one massive daily mistake with how you rest, which we will correct in step 3. Your joints need a specific shield against daily wear. Introduce a rare Indian tree resin called boswellia into your daily physical routine. Taking this extract actively soothes the irritated tissue surrounding your bones. It restores physical function rapidly, allowing you to walk without wincing. We stopped the burning sensation, but protecting it structurally fails entirely if you ignore the chemical attackers inside that we will cover in step 4. Experts always tell you to rest sore joints. Complete rest will actually starve your cartilage. Your joints lack a direct blood supply. They rely entirely on movement to pump oxygen inside. Sit and gently swing your legs for 2 minutes before standing up. This forces hydration into the joint space. We stabilized the physical joint, but stopping the decay is completely useless if you never replace the vital fluid you already lost, which is exactly what we will fix in step 5. Invisible chemical attackers called free radicals will constantly degrade your joint fluid. To stop this invisible decay, use French maritime pine bark. Adding this powerful antioxidant actively blocks the chemicals eating away your protective joint jelly. It forcefully shields the space between your bones. There are many joint solutions floating online, and most of them are repackaged junk. The supplement that supports joint hydration and restores pain-free movement is linked right below in the description. This is what we recommend, and we only link what we have verified works. You will find the link to the product directly in the description, so grab it while it is available. And the 5th method is what most people never hear about. You must focus on actively multiplying your natural joint fluid. Many traditional practices among aging populations utilize natural elements that thicken synovial fluid. While many versions cut corners or use inferior synthetic ingredients, utilizing the proper natural elements to rebuild your lost joint jelly is absolutely critical. If you want to bend comfortably, replacing that fluid is the final piece of the puzzle. Subscribe for daily videos.